Good morning, children. This is class 8 science. We are doing chapter number 7, cell, right? Now, today we are going to talk about cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. So, children, cytoplasm, it is a liquid in which all the cell organelles are placed, in which all the cell organelles are placed, right? So the entire part of the cell, that is the space between the cell membrane, we know cell membrane is the outermost part, and the nucleus is the center, right? And the nucleus is inside the cell, right? Except this, the rest of the space, it is occupied by cytoplasm, right? So if this is your cell wall, this is the cell membrane, sorry, this is the cell membrane, and this black color is your nucleus. Then children, this full yellow part is filled with the hollow vessel. It is hollow, it is empty. And in this, what is filled, children? In it, liquid is filled. And this liquid is known as, this yellow color part, it is known as cytoplasm. Right? It is known as cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid which is present, where it is present? It is present in the space between the cell membrane and the black color. Over here I have shown it with black color, okay, nucleus. Right, Pita? So this yellow part entire, that is your jelly-like fluid, and this is known as cytoplasm. Okay? Okay. So children, in the cytoplasm, in the jelly-like liquid, what are present? Very small, tiny cell organelles, organelles are present. What are cell organelles? Cell organelles are the small organs of cell, small parts of cell, which help the cell to do the function. So उसको cell को मदद करता है. So which are the cell organelles? So they are underlined mitochondria. Next is children Golgi bodies. Next is ribosomes, and next is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, right? So these mitochondria, Golgi body, ribosomes, and endoplasmic reticulum, they are present in the fluid, jelly like liquid, that is cytoplasm. ये सब cytoplasm के अंदर होते हैं, and they help the cell to perform various functions. Right, beta? So what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid. It is a jelly-like liquid which is present in the entire space between cell membrane and the nucleus. और उसके अंदर क्या होता है? उसके अंदर छोटे-छोटे cell organelles fit होते हैं. Which are the cell organelles? They are mitochondria, Golgi body, ribosomes, and endoplasmic reticulum. Right? We will study them one by one. First, let's start with the nucleus. First, we will explore nucleus. That what is nucleus? What are the parts of nucleus? What is the function of nucleus? Nucleus क्या होता है? Right, beta? Okay, let's start with the topic, that is 7.5.3 nucleus. Okay. Nucleus and nuclei, plural, singular में nucleus बोलते हैं, बहुत सारे nucleus हो तो nuclei, right? Okay, what is nucleus? Nucleus is a spherical structure. वो गोल सा structure होता है, कहाँ present होता है? At the center of the cell and is surrounded by the cytoplasm. So let me draw a cell over here. I will draw this is my cell wall, cell membrane. ये कौन है बेटा? Cell membrane. Inside the cell membrane, at the center of the cell, I have put a red color nucleus. है ना बेटा? And the remaining yellow part over here is what? Cytoplasm. क्या होता है बेटा वो? प्रियांशु, cytoplasm. ठीक है? Now, so where is nucleus present? Nucleus is present in the center of the cell and is surrounded by cytoplasm. Nucleus के आसपास क्या होता है बेटा? Cytoplasm. वो fluid होता है, liquid के बीच में होता है, right? Now, this nucleus is the main controller of the cell. Nucleus is going to control the function. Nucleus is going to control the cell entirely. Okay, beta. So underline very important point, that is nucleus is the control center of the cell. Control center कौन है? Nucleus है जो सब कुछ control करेगा, right बेटा? Now let's see what does nucleus consist of. Nucleus consists of mainly 4 parts. First is nuclear membrane. So nucleus जहाँ होता है, nucleus के बाहर membrane तो होनी चाहिए, एक outer layer तो होनी चाहिए. So that is your nuclear membrane. Next is उसके अंदर भी बेटा, nucleus के अंदर भी थोड़ा सा jelly like substance होता है. Cytoplasm nucleus के बाहर होता है बेटा, और nucleus के अंदर जो jelly like fluid substance होता है उसे बोलते हैं nucleoplasm. Cytoplasm, plasm means liquid, fluid. वो बाहर होता है न्यूक्लियस के, और न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो फ्लूइड जेली लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, सब्सटेंस होता है, दैट इज न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म. ओके बेटा? एंड नेक्स्ट यू आर हैविंग न्यूक्लियोलस. न्यूक्लियो, दिस इज व्हाट? लियो, LEO, लियो. न्यूक्लियोलस. न्यूक्लियोलस, they are small round bodies. What they do, that I'll explain you, right? Nucleolus. And finally you are having chromosomes. जैसे हमारी बॉडी में they are like thread like structure, ऐसे धागे धागे जैसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है, right? So which are the main 4 parts? Let's start with outermost nucleus में nuclear membrane. Then it also has some fluid, and that is nucleoplasm, या nuclear sap. And then it has round structures, that is nucleolus. And the fourth is the chromosomes. And the fourth is the chromosomes. So nuclear membrane. Membrane is a layer, parda type of thing, right? So nuclear membrane. So it is the thin porous membrane. Porous means it has small holes in it. Why it is having holes? So children, it can exchange things with the cytoplasm, because outside nucleus what do we have? Cytoplasm, na? So that nucleus can exchange the things with the cytoplasm, right? So that things can move between the cytoplasm and the nucleus, and it is a separating layer which is separating nucleus from the cytoplasm, because outside it is liquid. अगर ये membrane नहीं होगी तो सारा liquid nucleus के अंदर घुस जाएगा, right? So nuclear membrane is what? It is a thin porous membrane which is separating nucleus from the cytoplasm. And why it is porous, children? It is porous, it has holes. Why? So that it can allow the movement of material between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. This is the first part of the nucleus. Let's talk about the second part. Second part is nucleoplasm or nuclear sap. So plasm means fluid, liquid, jelly-like substance. So a jelly-like substance which fills up the nucleus, जो nucleus के अंदर है, it is known as the nucleoplasm. Right, beta? Third part we saw nucleolus. So they are small, round, spherical bodies which are present in the nucleus. Right, beta? छोटे spherical bodies होती हैं which are present inside the nucleus. They are known as nucleolus. I will show you in the diagram. And children, the fourth part is very, very important, children, and they are the chromosomes. They are the chromosomes. They carry genes, right? DNA, जो parents से offspring को मिलता है, right? A child gets from the mother, father. So all that features, all that qualities, all that things are present in the genes. Now, who carries these genes? These genes are carried by the chromosomes. So, the fourth part that is present inside the nucleus is chromosome. Chromosome's shape is they are thread-like structure. धागे जैसे ऐसे ऐसे होते हैं, right? And what do they carry? They carry genes. And with the help of genes, the characteristics from parents are transferred to the offsprings, to the children. Okay? Now, children, we saw that in cytoplasm, in the fluid that is present between the nucleus and the cell membrane, it contains a number of small structure, and those structure are organelles. Now, what are they? They are your mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body or Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and vacuoles. Children, your vacuoles are nothing but they are the empty space. They are the empty space where they are very small empty space where there is no liquid present, right? They are just like air bubbles. They are vacuoles. Okay, beta. So lysosomes, they are present in animal cell only, right? And this vacuoles, they are present only in plant cells. Plant cells के बाद बहुत बड़े-बड़े vacuoles होते हैं, बहुत बड़े-बड़े holes होते हैं. I will show you in the diagram which is on the next page. Okay, so let's turn the page. The other two organelles are, children, they are ribosomes and plastids. Ribosomes and plastids. Okay, beta? Ribosomes and plastids. Now let's see their functions. Children, number one, very, very important, mitochondria. Mitochondria is the organelle which provides the power to the cell, right? Powerhouse. So it is known as the powerhouse of the cell because it is going to provide the energy to the entire cell. So mitochondria's function is to provide energy, right? Next, endoplasmic reticulum. So children, endoplasmic reticulum, it does the work of preparation, right? It is responsible for synthesis. Synthesis is making, preparing. It does two more functions, that is, it helps in transportation of the material, and thirdly, it helps to store the things also. So remember, children, endoplasmic reticulum, it will make things, after making it will store them, and after storing wherever it is required, it will transport also. So you see, endoplasmic reticulum is doing a very important job. It is making, then it is, after making, it is storing also. जो बनाया है उसको store करके रख रहा है, and then wherever it is necessary, it is transporting also, right, children? Okay. Next is Golgi body. Golgi body, children, it is responsible for the secretion of many materials, right? So this over here, this we will see in detail further, right? Just now you just keep in your mind that it helps to secrete things. Secrete things means to produce some particular thing, right, beta? Next is lysosome. Lysosomes are present in animal cell only, and they are known as the suicidal bags. Means lysosome can attack things. Suppose a bacteria enters in an animal cell. Then lysosome will go to the bacteria and it is going to kill the bacteria, engulf bacteria. That is, it will swallow the bacteria inside, right? It does the work of digestion. It helps in the process of digestion, right? And whichever organelles have been burned out, जो organelles खराब हो चुकी हैं, right? Mitochondria, suppose एक mitochondria है, it has stopped working. So a new mitochondria has been produced. So the old mitochondria will be removed by this lysosome. The lysosome is going to engulf it, right? But the lysosome can engulf the nucleus also. So only it is known as the suicidal bag, that it can engulf the nucleus and the cell will die, and itself also it will die, right? So it is known as the suicidal bag. Next is vacuole. Children, vacuole, we know it is an empty hole. Okay. So what is it? It just stores excess amount of water. और इसमें थोड़ी थोड़ी चीजें होती हैं, that is pigments and waste products. It's just going to store. It is just a small, it is a hole where this extra things are stored, right? Next is, children, ribosomes. So ribosomes are very important because they are going to do the work of making protein for the cell. So ribosomes are the protein synthesizer. They are the protein maker. Synthesize word nahi learn karna mat karo. Production of protein, right? That for making protein in the cell. That's fine, right? Next, plastids. What are plastids? Plastids are found in plants and they are the material which help in the process of photosynthesis, right? They are chloroplast. It contains green color plastids. So chloroplasts are green in color. And it contains chlorophyll, you know, which helps in the process of photosynthesis. So plastids का काम क्या होता है? They help in the process of photosynthesis. और भी बहुत सारे plastids हैं. एक तो chloroplast हो गया जिसके अंदर chlorophyll होता है and it helps for photosynthesis. Next you have leucoplast. Leucoplast, children, they contain food as well as they contain some starch. Then you are having third type of plast is chromoplast. So तीन type of plast हैं. First is chloroplast, which contains chlorophyll and helps for photosynthesis. Next is leucoplast. Leucoplast का काम क्या है बेटा? It will store food. कौन सा food? Starch. And third is chromoplast. So chromoplast contains many other pigments. Pigments are the color giving pigments, right? आप देखोगे कुछ plants के colors अलग अलग होते हैं because of the presence of chromoplast in that. Okay, beta. Next, you are on to comparison of plants and animals. Comparison of plants and animals. Let's turn the page. So children, on this page, they have done the comparison of the various structures in the plant cell and the animal cell. Now children, first is your cell membrane. Cell membrane is present in both plant and animal. Tick tick. Cell wall plants में ही होती है, animal में नहीं होती है. We know that. Cytoplasm present in both. Nucleus present in both. Mitochondria, the powerhouse, present in both. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll required for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis animal don't do, so it is not present in animals. It is only present in plants. Golgi body is present in both. Endoplasmic reticulum present in both. Ribosomes, they produce protein that is required by plants and animals both. So it is present in both. Vacuoles. Now in plants there are big vacuoles, but in animals they are absent. But if they are present, then they are very small in size. Okay children, this is it. Now we will continue in the next